It's your birthday, kinda, not really.
Nobody's working. We're waiting on you.
You have to turn the lights on.
Surprise!
Oh my God!
We thought the surprise was going to be on us. We thought you weren't going to show up.
Yeah, we thought the surprise was on us.
Holy cow, what in the world?
You gotta get her head on.
You really want me to leave, don't you? I'm barricaded out. Oh my
We'll
gosh.
make room for you.
Holy cow. Oh, cool. Well, what do I do? I don't even know.
I guess you got to break in.
Well, yeah, I gotta
We'll
ask
have
your
to throw you
partner
over the
here.
top.
She's the one that decorated it.
Who did? You're a crazy girl.
Well, you should have known better.
Whoa!
Wow, that's cool.
I guess I can't work today. Sorry.
You can get to your desk.
You did a good job.
Wow, wow.
It only took me 6 hours.
Come on, everybody.
Harry, balloon, balloon.
Bloom, bloom.
Wow. I don't know what to say.
Oh my goodness, I didn't know all the other
Now
ones
you have
were in
birthday
there.
ideas.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We miss you already.
I miss you too.